Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Look what I found. Computer desk with LED lights. And I found this for just under 50 bucks. Something about I have an empty room at home. Think about turning it into a gaming / streaming room. And I'm trying to separate it from the other office out there. Separate business from this, from gaming. I'm gonna go ahead, unbox it, assemble it, and see what we're working with. All right, so first thing I noticed was that the box is really easy to open. All right, let's see what's under here. We got the manual. Let's see. All right, we got it in English. Got a manual in Spanish. All right, hopefully this thing will be easy to put together. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lay everything out now. All right, so I went ahead and laid out the body. It's the main body right here. That's the top. Got the side paneling. This is the monitor mount. And what I noticed is that the LED strip is actually interchangeable. So you can put any other LED strip that you'd like. Let's see. Comes with a remote, different colors on it, RGB. And got your plug for the light. Put that to the side. Let's see what comes under here. All right, and this is the outlet that actually goes into the top of the desk. So you have like a built-in power outlet with 2 USB ports. All right, got your hardware. So everything comes organized now. It's really convenient. Okay, as you can see now, I have everything laid out strategically. And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it together. So the desk is complete and it actually looks really, really nice. I don't even get anything back for 50 bucks. It's very stable too. Really easy to put together. Got the slide out door, got your outlets, 2 USB ports. got your remote. Got your different modes over here. Let's see, fade. Flash. It's great quality, actually. I'm really happy with this purchase. Yeah, so at the time of this recording, this was at Walmart for $50, limited stock. Go ahead and get one. I mean, I highly recommend it. All right, so hopefully you'll see this desk come up in future setups. If you like what you see, please go ahead, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see my... If you guys enjoy this video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. All right, heading out.